Welcome to our GPU battle. Today, we are comparing two titans in the graphics card arena. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 Gaming OC24G and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5080 OC Edition. The RTX 4090 is known for its massive VRAM and brute performance, while the RTX 5080 promises next-gen efficiency and compact design. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. The GIGABYTE RTX 4090 Gaming OC is a powerhouse, designed for uncompromised 4K and experimental 8K gaming, with its 24 GB of GDDR6X VRAM. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC Edition, while offering less VRAM at 16 GB, utilizes the new Blackwell architecture to deliver impressive performance per watt. This section will explore how each card performs under gaming and rendering workloads, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Cooling is vital for maintaining performance, especially under load. The GIGABYTE RTX 4090 features a robust wind force cooling system with triple fans, ensuring stability even at high clock speeds. On the other hand, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC Edition employs axial tech fans and a vapor chamber, designed for efficient heat management in a compact form factor. We will compare how these cooling solutions perform during intensive tasks. Price is always a crucial factor in choosing a graphics card. The GIGABYTE RTX 4090 comes with a hefty price tag of $1,799, reflecting its premium performance. In contrast, the ASUS RTX 5080 OC Edition is priced at $1,399, making it a more accessible option for gamers looking for high-end performance without breaking the bank. This section will analyze the value proposition of each card based on their features and performance. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4090 and the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5080 OC Edition offer unique advantages for different types of users. The RTX 4090 excels in raw performance and VRAM, making it ideal for enthusiasts and professionals, while the RTX 5080 provides a more compact and efficient solution for gamers looking for high performance at a lower price point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.